Hello friends, this is Deblina from Shrinjan Dance Academy and today's lesson is based on Kavit. What is Kavit? Kavit is nothing but a Kavita when you do it along with a Tal and you base that on a particular lay. If I compare Kavit to rap, probably it won't be incorrect because that's a very common thing to which today's generation is used to. But remember that in Indian classical dance, these things have come from say prehistoric ages. So from long ago, these things have been done in Indian classical music. So doing a Kavit on a particular tal is a very interesting thing because Kavit is done in using such language which is very easily understood by the audience. When audience are looking at our performances, the bhasha of tatkar or the bhasha of bols, they don't have any specific meanings. So when we want our audience to understand something or we want to tell them a story, we want to incorporate some characters in our dance, then we usually go for this kavits. Now kavits can be done in any tal, but today I am giving you an example on the basis of 3 tal because that's the easiest tal for us to understand. In this kavit, the main protagonist is Krishna and we are talking about a situation of Holi where Krishna is applying colors on Radha, and so the little Shringar Ras has to be there while you perform this, and the feelings of Chher Char should be there. And also when you read out a Kavit, remember that just doing it in proper lay and following the protocols of a tal is not enough because this is a story being told about you. Kathak dancers in the initial stages were basically storytellers, right? So when you are telling a story, the proper pronunciation is absolutely important. The voice modulation, where your teeth should be high, where it should be low, where it should be a little naughty, where it should be angry, where love should be there in your voice, affection should be there in your voice. All these things are very important. Today I am doing a very small kavit on 3 tal. Chum chum chanana nachat giridhara gopi sangali hath kanak pichkari bhagat ita uttaradha pyari dharane ki pavat Krishna murari tati tatati yati tatati thei tatei tatei thei tatata tatati tatati tatati. So you see the essence has come out from the way I have read. In the next lesson I will try to demonstrate this kavit by doing a performance on this. So you will have a idea about the expression, change of expression and body language when the characters are getting changed. Thank you so much. Hopefully you have enjoyed today's lesson.